Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys phone sleep time setting how to fix. Friends, you have screen timer for a phone sleep time problem. So how to fix screen timeout problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So guys, if your Redmi screen, your phone screen friends off just second and minute, by how to fix screen timeout problem one by one, step by step we will talk about. So open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, scroll it and friends click here lock screen setting. After lock screen setting friends, you want to use Redmi mobile always on lock screen setting. So friends, you can on always on lock screen setting, display setting, and you can select image and you can set on your lock screen. Notification effect setting friends, you want to change, so you can change notification effects in your Redmi mobile. Sleep setting friends, click here after sleep setting, increase your phone sleep time and your problem will solve. Friends, if you click 2 minutes, so friends you can check screen will not off after 20 and 30 seconds, and friends your phone screen will off after 2 minutes if you do not tap on your screen. And friends, you want to use 15-second screen time on phone sleep time setting, so friends click here and friends don't tap 15 seconds, and friends automatically your Redmi mobile will screen off. So like that friends, again you have a screen timeout problem. So open your phone setting and increase your phone sleep time, and guys your problem will solve in your Redmi mobile. And friends, last we have only 10 minutes. So friends, I will increase into 5 minutes. And friends, you want to use raise to wake, double tap to wake screen setting, you can on and you can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching.